State Cabinet meeting held today has decided to designate Heibok, Ching in Imphal West District as reserved forests. The decision was announced by Health and Family Welfare Minister Sapam Ranjan during a press conference held at the Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR following the Cabinet meeting. According to Minister Ranjan, this step is a part of the government's ongoing efforts to combat environmental degradation and the adverse effects of deforestation, which have led to changes in rainfall patterns and rising temperatures. The Cabinet also approved a comprehensive survey of hills and valley areas, which will assess the impact of deforestation and unregulated construction. The survey is expected to determine whether these areas can be declared as protected or reserved forest. The minister added that land settlements and constructions will be closely monitored. He pointed out that Heibok Ching was originally declared a revenue village in 2014 Government Gazette notification. However, today's decision amends that classification, designating the area as a reserved forest. The government also plans to collaborate with local committees for large-scale tree planting initiatives to restore the environment. Moreover, the Cabinet has approved to pass Manipur Goods and Services Tax GST 8 Amendment Ordinance. Speaking exclusively to SKTV News, Minister Ranjan emphasized that further steps regarding forest conservation will be taken in collaboration with relevant departments, with a focus on regulating construction's activities in the region.
Imphal West District the Langthabal area the Laiba Heibok Ching se Laiphamgi Zoyamna Marueba Duga Ugi Char Duga landscape so yamna Fajaba Duga ecological Yamna Marueba Maram Oibana Nasi Cabinet na Heibok Ching Reserve Forest Sena Oinana Nasi Cabinet Sena Ayaba Pigre Kogi Valley the Lariba Mole Hills Miamse Masizige categorization whether that will be a protected forest Oigadra Nataga reserved forest Oigadra Habido survey Tora Matung Jida Akoi Lautokani Adu survey Tobudi Horagani but it will be a forest whether protected Natraga reserved la Habidi Aduki decision dubudi on a lake lepani Madam de Akoi mole hills Miamse Akoi protect the Bayahade mole hill Miamgi destruction la Iba Koliba Miamse Akoi Yangzin the Bayade.